We've got to get data into Power Query, and there are a lot of ways. Typically, we're going to do it from table/range. Here we've got data from ice cream sales on Saturday and Sunday, and we want to do some analysis. So I click inside the data set and then from table/range, and we're going to go straight into Power Query. And here is one place where we can name the query. We're going to call this Saturday. And then I'm going to close and load this to the workbook. That was from a range. And also notice it put our data into a table. See, it is now in a table. Now let's look at the Sunday data. Now there's a split here because there's something we've got to watch out for. Here I can go to data from table/range, and notice the dashed line has captured the full contiguous data set. It's not grabbed all of our data. So we don't want to do this. Let's cancel. Want to close this hole, right click, delete, shift cells up, okay. So instead of going into Power Query right away, I am going to make this a table. So I'm going to go to Home, Format as Table. Let's choose this orange. Table does have headers. Yes. I can go to Table Design. I'm going to get rid of these filter buttons. And then I can change the name here to Sunday. Enter. Now we're going into Power Query from table/range. There's our data. And notice when we name the table Sunday, the query has automatically named itself Sunday also. So those are two ways that you get data into Power Query, from a table or from a range.